What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another FIFA career mode video. In today's video we do my Fantasy League FC team. We have £1 billion to spend. I'm going to take over them for 5 seasons. And yeah, my fantasy team is over there. This team got me 48 points in game week 1. Hopefully it'll get me more points in game week 2. At the end of the season we're 4th.
Something to do with an eagle, we end up in pain. Don't deal with birds.
Also, if you all have not subscribed already to my new podcast called The Goat Talks Football, now would be a great opportunity to do so. We're nearing 30 subscribers on that channel, and it's just been under a week since I uploaded it. 3 videos on that channel, so I'd like to thank everyone who subscribed to it. As we finish 8th in the league in Season 2, so worse than Season 1, and the team has gotten better. Also, next week we are going to Italy, so there'll be more content over there. End up with the Europa League win, and also the league win as well. And yeah, we're 10th in January. And at the end of the season, we finish 8th. And yeah, this is going to be our final season. This is the team. And yeah, this is the end of the video. We end up getting sacked. If you guys enjoying the content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and let's get viral.